Hey there, welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're diving into a crucial part of your vehicle's braking system, the brake caliper. It's small, it's mighty, and it's what makes stopping your car possible. Let's get into it. The brake caliper houses your car's brake pads and pistons. Its job is to slow the car's wheels by creating friction with the brake rotors. When you step on the brakes, when the brake pedal is pressed, it forces hydraulic pressure on the pistons and the calipers to force the pads against the rotors. The caliper fits over the rotor like a clamp. Its assembly generally lives inside the wheel and is connected to the master cylinder through tubes, hoses, and valves that conduct brake fluid through the system. You have a failed brake caliper if you experience any of the following. Your brakes are continuously squeaking, squealing or grinding your brake, or anti-lock braking system warning light comes on. Your car jerks or pulls to one side when braking. Your brake pedal feels unusually soft and spongy, or hard brake fluid leaks around the wheels or engine compartment. You may also notice that braking distance increases. Brake calipers are tough, but they need maintenance. Look out for signs like uneven braking, strange noises, or a soft brake pedal. They could mean your caliper needs attention. Did you know that racing cars often use high-performance fixed calipers made from lightweight materials like aluminum or carbon? Every millisecond counts on the track, and that's your quick guide to brake calipers. They might be small, but they're absolutely critical to your safety on the road. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car tips, and drop a comment below with any questions. See you in the next video.